This is a video of the auction of a Waterloo Boy N tractor. The serial number is 20384. It was sold on November 4th, 2017 in Bowes, Kentucky. The buyer was from Maryland.
15,000 for it, and that was in the early 80s or right around 1980. We brought it up here, totally restored the whole thing, and took it to a lot of shows.
Got all the beans cut.
What's that?
They quit raining
Motors
for a few days.
been recently. We basically rebuilt the motor, so pretty much everything out here that's got decent fresh paint on it has been, the engine's been gone through, been restored. So it's in great shape. Just needs a little cleanup, a little tender love and care, and hope somebody enjoys it.
All right. All right, we got $20,000 bill. 20,250. I've got 20. We're hit it. We can't go backwards.
We can't go backwards.
I got 20,000. 20,000, 21,
Yep.
22,000, $23,000 bill, 22, give it a down, 3,
Yep.
and now forward, $24,000, give it a down, 25, give it a down, 6 here, 26, give it a down, 27,
Yep.
now 8, now 8, now 9, 29, give it a down, 30, give it a down, 31, give it a down, 2, give it a down, 3, 2, give it a down, 4, and now 35, 35, give it a down, 30, now 8, 38, 38, got down 9, and now 30 down, give it a down, 40, 40, give it a down, 1, $41,000, give 40, give 41, give 40, give 41, $40,000, give it a give it a down, give 40, give 41, give 40, give 41 into one month. Give $40,000, give it a down, tell 40, give 41 into one month, give 40, give 41 into one month. Give it a down, 2, 2, 42, got it, give it a down, 3, 3, down, 3, get 3, 40, get 2, 40, give it a down, 3, $42,000, give it a down, tear down, 3, but get 3, 3, into 3, 40, get 2, 40, give it a down, 3, 42, give it a down, tear down, 3, but get 3, into 3, 40, give 40, give it a down, 3, 42, give it, got it, down, 4, 44, down, 5, 45, 45, 45, 45, give it a down, 5, 44 right back here now, 5, 45, at the 45, at the 45, give it a down, 6, give it a down, 47, and now 8 down, 49, $50,000, give it a down, 51, 51, 51, and a 1, 1, 50, give it a down, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51 down, give it a down, 51, 50, give it a down, tell 51, 50, give it a down, tell 51, 51, and a 1, 1, 50 down, give it a down, tell 51, give it a down, 50, 40, give it a down, 51, 51, and a 1, and a 1, 1, 50 there, down, 51, 51, 51, and a 1, Burley, 50, but leave it down, 51, 51, and a 1, 1, 50, but around, tell 51, 51, give it a down, tell 51, 51, and a 1, 1, 51, give it a down, tell 51, and a 1, 1, 50, but give it a down, 1, 50, but around, tell 51, 51, and a 1, Burley, 50, but give it a down, 51, 51, and a 1, and a 1, anybody else there? All done, all through, all finished, we're at $50,000, but you got a 51, but you got a 51, and a 1, all done. Here's your top man, $50,000, buyer number 4. Give him a copy of the transmitter. Okay, tell us. Thank you for bidding to us. All right, the next tractor. All right, Matthew, you want to?